Motorola has introduced its latest 5G smartphone in the G series lineup for the Indian market, known as the Moto G96 5G. This device boasts a sleek and modern design along with a strong feature set, making it an appealing option in the mid-range segment. The phone is equipped with a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus curved POL display that delivers smooth visuals with a refresh rate of up to 140 Hz. It also offers an impressive peak brightness of 1600 nits and comes protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5 for added durability. Under the hood, it runs on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 South Gen 2 chipset, paired with the Adreno 710 GPU for efficient performance. The Moto G96 5G comes with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM, which can be virtually expanded up to 16GB using internal storage. It offers two storage options, 128GB and 256GB, both utilizing UFS to point-to technology for faster read-write speeds. Photography is another highlight of this phone. On the rear, it features a dual-camera setup, led by a 50MP primary sensor Sony's Lydia 700C with optical image stabilization for smooth video capture. Accompanying it is an 8MP ultra-wide lens offering a 119-degree field of view. For selfies and video calls, there's a 32MP front camera housed in a centered punch hole cutout. Both front and rear cameras support 4K video recording at 30 frames per second. Fueling the device is a 5500 mAh battery that supports 303 turbo-power fast charging. The Moto G96 5 ships with Android 15 right out of the box. Security-wise, it features an in-display fingerprint scanner, and the phone is rated IP68 for water and dust resistance. Audio is enhanced by Dolby Atmos surround sound, delivering an immersive listening experience. Connectivity features include dual SIM 5G support, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, and a USB Type-C port. In terms of build, the device measures 161.86 x 73.26 x 7.93 millimeters and weighs approximately 178 grams. It will be available in several stylish color variants, including Ashley Blue, Dresden Blue, Cadia Orchid, and Greener Pastures. Pricing in India starts at 17,999 for the 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage model, while the 8GB plus 256GB version will retail at 19,000. Sales are set to begin from July 16th.